Hi, my name is Aniket Arvind. I'm a student at Princeton University and an intern here at Emergence AI. I'm working with the state-of-the-art web orchestrator that Emergence AI has recently developed, integrating it with existing orchestrators to essentially increase the widespread knowledge of Emergence products. So what I've done here is I've integrated Emergence's web orchestrator with Microsoft's Semantic kernel, which is an API that essentially allows you to develop custom agents and orchestrators from scratch. I've essentially created this GitHub here, which details how to go about this integration. I'm not going to go through all the steps because I've already done so on this computer. But what I am going to do is I'm going to show you how this whole thing works with respect to the actual end result. The one thing that you do have to remember is when you set your emergence API key, remember to go to your emergence dashboard and copy your emergence API key here. That's very important. Otherwise, the whole project won't work. So now that that's taken care of, we can navigate to this whole directory here that I've cloned from the GitHub. This is essentially a very simple project that I've essentially coded, which allows you to type in your prompt. Here you can see I've typed in what is the state of the VC space in 2025, especially with respect to AI, right? It takes that prompt, creates a workflow right from that. Um, what that means is essentially creating a workflow ID. It then polls that workflow ID, right? It's essentially polling the get function until it reaches a success, right? And once it reaches success, it then outputs the final result, um, which you can see has been outputted here very, very nicely. So the key here is that this is a full end-to-end project, right? But if you have your own orchestrator already built within Microsoft Semantic kernel, all you would have to do is essentially take this skill file and drag it into your project, and then add the skill to your existing orchestrator class. And that's all it really takes. It's very, very simple to integrate Emergence's web orchestrator with Microsoft Semantic kernel, and as you can see here, we've done it pretty well. So thanks.